G'day ladies and gentlemen, TJ here from TJ Makes Drinks. Cheers for coming around my place for another brew. Today we're going to be making a little drop called the Pink Mimosa. Now you see, it's summer. It's January, it's summer. Well, that's the time of filming this anyway. So you're gonna have a lot of day drinking out on the lawn. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Any excuse you need, you go for it. Have fun with this. So today we're going to be doing a little variant on the mimosa. It's called the Pink Mimosa, and I think you guys are going to enjoy this one. It's fantastic for a hot Sunday morning. So we're going to start off with getting our glass, and we're going to get a little bit of lemon. Alright, just a little bit. And we're going to rim our glass with lemon juice. And after that what we'll do is I've got a bit of white sugar here on this plate, and we're just going to dip the part of the glass that's been hit with that lemon juice. We're just going to dip that in the white sugar. Now, as I've said before, I'm half Dutch. This is actually what we have on our pancakes in the morning, believe it or not. And you all got to give it a try. It's fantastic. So if you can see that, a little bit of white sugar, a little lemon juice on the top of the glass, it's going to look fantastic. Next up, we're going to take our Peach Schnapps. Now this stuff's super sweet, it's super fun. I love it. I am a big fan of Peach Schnapps. I think it's a pity we don't use a little bit more of it. So, pour in that, it's just a touch over a nip. Because we want this mimosa to have a little bit of bite to it. We want it to have a little bit of kick. And then after that, we're going to come along with our champagne, our sparkling wine, our Chardonnay Pinot Noir. I believe that's what we've got, the Wolf Blass. Yes, the premium cuvee. That is going to be nice and dry. And see, what we're trying to do here is trying to get a balance. Throw that away, we don't need that. Of the dryness of the champagne, the dryness of the sparkling wine, I should say. It's not from Champagne in France, so we can't call it champagne. We're going to get a balance of the dryness of the wine with the sweetness of the sugar and the peach schnapps. It's a boy. Mazel tov. So we're going to, making sure not to touch the rim, we're going to come close to topping this off. And there we go. Looks beautiful. No one can tell that it ain't just a regular champagne so far, can they? And I'm not even going to bother putting this cork back in just yet, because I'm going to use that for some more videos very soon. And then, just to top this, finish this off, we're going to drop in just a little bit of Grenadine to make it a lovely pink colour. And doesn't that look appetizing? You want to make it even more appetizing? We're going to garnish it with a raspberry. You don't have to garnish, but if you're trying to impress somebody, it's a good technique. In fact, you don't even have to have this sort of glass. But again, if you're trying to impress someone, it's probably a good call. Anyway, here's cheers. Oh wow. And that's a beautiful, beautiful sort of blend between the sweet and the sweetness of the sugar and the peach and the dryness of the wine. So anyway, here's cheers. I'll catch you guys next time for another round of drinks at my place. Have a good one.